Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're hello, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. This is a good news. So if you are a Dr. Harris fan, yeah, you have a good news, and that good news is I'm going to give you guys a hint about the good news we have. But before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and tap on that notification bell. In that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So if you don't know who Dalton Harris is, he's a born Jamaican, so who won X Factor 2018. I became a huge fan that year. I started rooting for him when he was in the, I think, judge's house. His mentor was Louis. Yeah, so yeah, until he won the X Factor. I reacted to some of his songs, which I will tell you guys in another video. So the good news is that I have a second channel, and the second channel, the name is Amaka's Gist TV. This is where I think in another video I'm going to explain to you guys the main reason why I opened that channel. I have reacted to his official video, Cry, and you might be asking when did I do that and all that. So the thing is that I have a second channel. I reacted to that song there. If you guys want to see my reaction on that song, please you have to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and you have to also subscribe to this channel that will pop up somewhere. Is Amaka's Gist TV, or you can actually type it on YouTube and you find it. And another thing, I'm going to pin it in the comment section so you can find it. So you need to subscribe to that channel so you get notification on like every Dalton Harris song I react to. You're going to get it. I have made a couple of videos about him, and the official video Cry, I have reacted on that channel as well. So I'm going to react to the one he did on the X Factor, because after that first one, so many people were asking me to react to the one he did live on X Factor, so which of course you guys know I'm a huge fan. There's no way I'm not going to react to that song. So I am going to react to that, his live performance he did on X Factor. So yeah, that's the good news. So but this channel, I am going to be giving you guys information like his birthday, like his activities and all that. I will be putting it up in this channel, but in the other channel I will be doing more of his songs. So yeah, that's the good news. Yeah, that's it. That's it. This is a good news for you guys. If you are a Dr. Harris fan in this channel, that's a good news. So anything I didn't post in that channel, I'm going to post it here, so you're not going to miss anything. So any updates, I'm going to upload it here. Anything about a song, updates as well, I'm going to be uploading it in that channel. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel and subscribe to Amaka's Gist TV so you get notification on any lifestyles I post. And I'm going to be putting up the second reaction, the his live performance he did on X Factor. I'm going to be putting it up soon, so make sure you go and watch the first reaction I did in that channel, and a couple of his videos as well, and which you might like. So yeah, that's it. That is just it. I hope this is very informative. I hope this is very helpful. And a special thank you to someone who contacted me and was, you know, a bit concerned why I haven't reacted to Dalton Harris song Cry. And I'm really, you know, happy. I actually appreciate your comments. So thank you so much for that comment. It really made me to know that someone in this channel actually liked what I'm actually doing about Dalton Harris. So this is why, because I have a second channel where I upload more things about Dalton Harris, but I upload here as well. From now on, I'm going to be uploading here as well once in a while, but you have to subscribe to that channel. So anything I put there, more of songs and update like reaction and all that, I'll be doing more on that channel. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and give me a huge thumbs up if you like this video. And if you want to see more of Dalton Harris updates, please make sure you subscribe there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you guys.